Are you looking to learn Java, Kotlin, and Android development skills that you can use to land a job as a professional Android developer and make a lot of money? If so, then this complete Java, Kotlin, and Android course is for you. The first part of the course covers Java from the basics all the way through the advanced content. After that, we take a look at the Kotlin programming language, arguably the most popular language in Android development. You'll learn how to implement all 23 Gang of 4 design patterns using Java and Kotlin, along with the major searching and sorting algorithms in computer science. This course also features 18 hands-on coding exercises, where you can put the skills you learn to the test, and get instant feedback via Udemy's built-in coding exercise platform. Finally, we'll build some awesome Android apps hands-on using Java and Kotlin. You will build a total of 10 Android apps hands-on in this course. We will use the Rick and Morty API to develop an app that pulls resources via requests to a server and dynamically loads content displaying the characters, locations, and episodes. We'll build a calculator app which will give you hands-on experience working with constraint layouts and acclimate you to the Android development workflow. Then we'll build a Flappy Bird app where you'll learn all about touch events, timers, sprite animations, and how to create a scrolling background effect in Android Studio. Next, we will build a Who's That Pokemon quiz app where you will gain experience working with radio groups, radio buttons, toasts, playing audio, and modifying Android UI widgets. The fifth app that we will build using Android Studio and Java is a Notes app that will allow the user to create, save, and edit notes that persist across app sessions. This hands-on project will teach you about Android material design, saving app data locally, working with dynamic lists of content, and more. Then we will build 5 hands-on apps in Kotlin. We'll develop a Harry Potter app using Kotlin, which will give you experience working with complex UI layouts, playing audio, and customizing the UI of an Android app. We'll build a Marvel app where the user can scroll through a list of comics and click on each of the entries to view a larger image and plot synopsis. This project will teach you how to build item detail relationships where the user can scroll through a list of items and then load its details by clicking on it. Next, we will build a DC Comics app where you can click on a character's name and load an animated GIF of that character in action. This section will teach you about web views, working with animated GIFs in Android, and creating an app with a navigation drawer that slides in from the left. Then we will build a Sonic the Hedgehog app that features sprite animations and a scrolling background. Finally, we will create an X-Men app where you will get exposure to working with a tabbed layout in Android. At the end of the course, I go over the frequently asked questions you are likely to get if you interview for an Android developer role, many of which come from my personal experience going on several such interviews in the past. If you're looking to master Java, Kotlin, and Android, then look no further. Click the Add to Cart button and join me as we learn Java and Kotlin and use Android Studio to build some awesome apps.